So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on Bluetooth and devices. And now you want to click on devices. And now once we're here, make sure that you have Bluetooth actually turned on. If it's already turned on, then you can turn it off and then turn it back on again. Also, if your device is not connected, then you want to click on add device and then connect your device. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, we're going to go to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to find Bluetooth support service. Double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will now make the service status running. And then click on OK. And now under it, you want to find Bluetooth user support service. Double click on it and then click on start, which will now make the service status running. And you can leave it on manual. Now you want to click on OK. See if that works. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find Bluetooth and then click on run. And now once this comes up, you want to click on yes. And you just want to follow through all the steps that come up here and then see if that works. For the last method, just do a simple restart of your computer. Now hopefully one of these methods would have fixed your problem.